Hey friends, if you wish to create a new user on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, when we say a new user, it could either be a local account or a Microsoft account. But when we say a new user, it basically means a Microsoft account, because a local account can be removed immediately, but a Microsoft account has its own removal procedure. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Email and Accounts. Wait for it to load and then click on Add a Microsoft account. Wait for it to load. Click on Create one. Type some email address. Let's say just a new email @hotmail.com. Okay, you can select from hotmail.com or outlook.com. Select anything that you want. Click on Next. It isn't available, strange. And then click on Next. Okay, let's try this one. And then create a password. And then click on Next. Okay. And then click on Next. Okay, let me try something else as password. And then mention your name and email ID. And then click on Next. Select your country, your birth date, and I'll put anything here for the example. And wait, I'll be dead if it was 1905. Anyway, and then click on Next, and it will start creating your account. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. And yes, by the way, here's your new account. It has been added. And if you wish to remove it, then click on remove and click on yes. Have a nice day.